Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim. I'm the founder of ANORA. Basically, I will show you how you set up your account. Go to anoraai.xyz and hit the enter. It will open the ANORA, and the easiest way is just signing using the Google account. Click on the Google account and now choose your Google account. Well, we have a dashboard here now, and below you can see your credits, 1k. By default we are giving 1k credits. It's enough, like 10 video generations, 100 text or 100 images, and 10k text around here. You can also search our flows. Let's firstly create some project. Let's say Nike campaign. Nike campaign. Yeah, we got a project. Now let's create a flow. One project can have multiple flows. Nike sneakers showcase and create. We have project, and we can also move to favorites like here, or we can also change the title. It's easy. Nike sneaker showcase. Nike sneakers. Okay, yeah, we change it, and we can also upload cover. Hit the upload cover, and let's choose the image. I guess that's okay. We got the cover. We can also share this flow. Just copy the link and share your friends. At the top side you can see teams, where you can create different teams, or you can also search around your projects and flows.